What actually happens inside CERN? Is it really dangerous or just misunderstood? Inside CERN, there is a massive machine called the Large Hadron Collider. It's like a giant circular tunnel deep underground. Now here's the simple idea. Scientists take tiny particles, smaller than atoms, and make them travel almost at the speed of light. Then they smash them into each other. That's it. But why? Because when these particles collide, they break apart and reveal what they are made of. It's like breaking a watch just to understand how it works. And from these collisions, scientists discovered something huge. A particle called the Higgs boson. Some people even call it the God particle. But here's where people get worried. If you're creating such powerful collisions, could something go wrong? Could it create something we don't understand? The truth is, scientists have studied this for years, and so far, everything happening inside CERN is controlled and extremely small. Nothing is escaping, nothing is growing, but still, we are exploring the deepest level of reality. And whenever humans go that deep, questions will always come. In the next video, I'll explain something even more crazy. Can CERN actually create a black hole?